Due to the fact that I am very new to this, I'm very new to this oscilloscope. So if I freeze the waveform, then I touch any panel key, any key of the panel, I will lose the waveform. So I will preset the measurement on the screen. So I will test if this measurement could take place when I freeze there. So let's try it again. Okay, we can check the measurement we got in here. The channel 1 frequency is 99.2079, which probably because it probably measure the converter, because it's one connection to the inductor motor, and the frequency of the channel 4, which is the another connect to the other probe, is 60 Hz, and the frequency of the mesh 1 waveform is also 60 Hz, and the voltage of the mesh 1 waveform is creeped. So this information may not be quite useful, because some measurement is creep. Although I save it up to 10 division per 10 volt per division, it's still overload. So let's start to see some portion of the waveform. So you can see this is the two probe. The channel 1 and the channel 2 waveform here, and these two waveforms, they were sine. Of course, it's sine wave, but in some place they will creep it. They will creep out here. It's one division is 10 volt. This probably this according to scale here. It probably 1 division, 2 division, 3, 4 division. It's probably over 40 volts AC peak to peak. The RMS, I'm not sure, but the difference between them, you can see there is a difference between them. So it started from here. It started from this portion here, and you can see it's roughly started at when the voltage is rising on its maximum. It's started at the 90 degree, and there start have a difference. The difference, you can see the difference here is the biggest one. So they were going up to the most difference here, and then they were going down, and this point is the current start to supply the motor, and this two difference is here, and then the difference is getting smaller and smaller. So this going back to 0, and it should start from the difference from the other side of the negative side of the should start from here, but this portion it start from here. It start from negative, so when negative is a different start. To here, the whole waveform was creeped, so the information around here is all rubbish. It's useless. And start from here, they both have difference, and the difference, the most difference is here, is from here, this point here. So here their difference start to increase. But it's quickly to reach to here, and then everything creep again. So this creep and this also rubbish here, and they'll start a difference from here, then go up to here, the most difference, and they stay there for a while, and then they go down, and then they go down. So the difference, most difference is proportion to here, the peak of the difference proportion to here, and then it went back again. So as I can see, as this waveform can tell us, this inverter it always it all start to work the maximum at the peak of the sine wave, and they gradually, the difference went back to zero when they close the middle point. So this is the full run, the full power run when this all started. So I only will show you to here. Thank you. I hope you find it interested, and thank you for watching.